What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add links to your Instagram story, right? So as you can see, I'm in Instagram here and I'm going to click the plus on the uppermost left hand side on my profile picture. That will take me into pictures, but I'm going to click on the camera here and just simply take a picture of the floor here, right? You want to click on this button right beside the letter here. It's like a smiley face with a page, right? You want to click on that. You want to type in link and you should find the link sticker, right? You want to click on that and you can simply type in the website. I'm going to use google.com as an example. Then click done. And from here, you can move it wherever you want. And then here, you just simply need to click your story. And that's it, guys. Now, once the story is posted, guys, you can go ahead and you can test this out for yourself. By click the story, click Google, you would see the link there, tap on it, and that will take you into Google. And as you can see there, it is there. I'm going to simply switch this to English so that you can see it. Go ahead, accept, and there you have it. It's taking me to google.com and it's working. Very easy and very simple.